Alright, so guys, today's video we're gonna look at how to use auto tune if you're a beginner. I'm gonna show you the tricks, what you need to put in your head before you auto tune your next coming vocals. If you're ready, let's do this right after the intro. The name is Godsai, music producer. I take you to mixing of vocals, mixing of beat, mastering. Think of anything about music production, I got you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I upload such content. So without wasting much of your time, I'm gonna sit back, wait for you to do whatever that you need to do on this video. Give it a like, subscribe, let me know where you are watching me from, leave a comment. All right, so we're gonna start with today's video. All right guys, so we are in Cubase now and I just recorded these vocals to show you how to use the auto tune, so you need not to take it serious. All right, just follow the trick that I'm gonna tell you in today's video and make sure you auto tune your vocal the right way. I mean, you got the nice perfect vocals recorded, and if you got the auto tune perfect, you're gonna sound great, you're gonna achieve a greater mix. All right, so first thing first, I'm gonna play this particular vocal that I recorded to show you what exactly we have now, and after that I'm gonna explain some one or two things to you. So first thing, let's listen to the vocals without any effect. All right, so let me check this here. So I got the out channel mono over here. If you don't know how to use this out channel mono from Waves, I have a full video taking you through step by step. The next thing I added was the REQ 6 mono. All right, next thing we're gonna consider is the EQ box over here. I cut off some of the low ends, as you can see. Then I did a little bit surgical EQ here. I boosted the high ends a little bit. Nothing crazy, nothing. You need not to worry about EQ if you're gonna watch my videos on my channel. If you don't know anything about EQ, I have a full video taking you through step by step. All right, so make sure you go back to the channel, then watch how to EQ your vocals like a pro. I'll leave a link in the description box, so make sure you click on that right after watching this video. So guys, let's listen to the vocals with only these plugins. Fine, oh yeah. Fine. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. Alright, so that's pretty simple. I'm gonna change the color for this one so that you're gonna concentrate on what we are doing over here. So let me change this one to yellow, something cool like this. All right, so we're gonna loop this particular portion. Next thing we're gonna do is to go back to the audio track over here. I'm gonna introduce the auto tune and I'm gonna use auto tune artist on these vocals. All right, so I'm gonna load auto tune artist. Let's double click on that, wait for it to load. Make sure you give the video a like. So if you are new to auto tune, you need to pay attention to whatever I'm gonna tell you in today's video. All right, you can see a lot of knobs over here, but you need not to understand everything before you can actually auto tune your vocals. I'm gonna show you the no knobs. I mean the knobs that you need to familiarize yourself with if you want to take your music production to the next level. All right, so the very first thing that you need to put in your mind anytime you want to auto tune your vocals is to know the right key. You feel me? Put that in your mind. All right, so everything with auto tune, the most aspect is getting the right key. So if you don't know how to detect the key of unknown vocals or instrument, I have a full video taking you through step by step. So what you need to do is to go back to my channel and watch that video after watching this. So the key for this particular track was E minor. I'm gonna change the scale to minor and the key is E. All right, so right now we're gonna play the vocals and listen to the auto tune without touching any knob Let's listen.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
All right, so you can actually hear that we have gotten the right key, but you need to pay attention to certain things before you can achieve a greater or a better version of whatever that you are handling. So the very first thing that you need to put in your mind, aside the scale and the key, is the routine speed. When we talk about the routine speed, is how much you want to pitch your vocals. I mean, how much you want to feel that T-pain effect on your vocals. Super simple. So the more you crank the routine speed all the way up to 0, the more auto-tune you're gonna feel. All right, and the less auto-tune you're gonna feel when you crank the routine speed all the way down like this. I mean, 400 routine speed, you're not gonna feel any auto-tune on your vocal. So we're gonna exaggerate things whilst I crank this routine speed from 400 all the way to 0. So make sure you listen with good headset and monitors, and after that you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna take the routine speed to 400. Let's play the vocals together with the instrument whilst I'm pushing the routine speed all the way up. Now listen to this.
If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who. If you know.
Alright, so at this point you are hearing the effect of the auto tunes. We are pitching our vocals too much, alright, and if you don't take care, you're gonna mess up things. Alright, so what you need to pay attention is to make sure you give the right routine speed. If the artist is not good in singing, don't push the routine speed all the way down to 0. You're gonna spoil things. All right, if you listen to my vocals, you are feeling that shaking part of the frequencies. So I'm gonna reduce the routine speed to about 10, 11, 20, 30 routine speed, so that you're gonna get the right pitch. All right, so let's take to 11 now. Listen to this.
If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who.
I didn't stay on the right key actually whilst I recording this one. So if I want to sound natural, I'm gonna push the routine speed to 20 routine speed or 30 routine speed, and this is the trick that the legends are using. All right, if you want to sound like Justin Bieber, Rihanna, they push the routine speed around 20-30 so that they will feel the natural vibe. I mean, the natural style of the artist. We don't want to pitch our vocals too much. In mixing, less is the best. All right, so I'm gonna stick to 20 routine speed. Now listen to this.
If you know be you, I get nobody else.
Alright, so now you can actually hear the difference. We are pitching our vocals and also not doing things crazy. The next knob that you need to pay attention to is the humanize. Alright, so when you pitch your vocals, when you push the routine speed all the way up, sometimes you mostly sound like robotics, and we don't want that. We want to add realism to our vocals. All right, so we add a little bit humanize over here so that we can actually sound like human beings, not robots. You feel me? So let's exaggerate things once I push the humanize knob all the way up.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen.
Alright, so now you can actually hear that the vocal is not shaking all the way much. So we're gonna stick to half humanize like this. Alright, next thing you need to pay attention to is the flex tune. Okay, so if you feel like your vocals is still shaking but you want to pitch your vocals, then we increase the flex tune to allow more pitch deviation, usually for expressive purposes. So let me push this thing all the way to, let's say, 13, and now listen to this.
If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, girl, then tell me who.
Alright, you can actually hear the shaking vibe. I didn't actually sing on the right key. All right, so what I'm gonna do is to push the routine speed to 30.
If it not be you, I got nobody else.
And now when we push the routine speed to 30, humanize it about 48%, flex tune 13. Now listen to this vibe.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my.
Alright, so next thing you can actually add to your vocals, when you are using auto tune, is the natural vibrator. With this particular vocals, I'm not gonna attack or even touch this knob over here. Alright, next you need to pay attention to the input type. If it's a female, just stick to soprano. If it's a male, play around auto tenor and low male. That's super simple. So I'm gonna play with this particular input types over here, and the one that gonna sound great in my ears, I'm gonna stick to that. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. More like, more comments, let me know, share this video. All right,
my queen. If you know be you, get then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, get then tell me who.
You can actually hear a little bit off key when I choose the low male, but when we stick to the soprano, now listen.
If you know be you, I get nobody else. I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man.
So without the auto tune,
get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, get.
And now with the auto tune.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, get.
That's super simple. And with auto tune artists, you can actually head over to the advanced mode, and over here I'm gonna play with the pitch amount over here.
Then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, get then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
If you want me to go deep on the advanced mode of auto tune artists, leave a comment and I'll come back and take you through step by step. All right, guys, now I'm gonna add reverb to our vocals. What you need to do is to create a special add effect track like this, add effect track, and link your vocals to this one. After that, you're gonna send it to your recorded audio track. But with today's video, I'm just gonna load the reverb over here, and I'm gonna use the Roomwork SC by Cubase. All right, so this is a default reverb. If you don't know how to use reverb, I have a full video taking you through step by step. Click the link in the description box and watch how to use reverb. The cheat code. If you are a beginner, you knew nothing about music production, I'm gonna show you the cheat code, how you can actually use reverb like a pro. This might pre-delay, the low level, the reverb time. Listen to that.
I see your body fine, girl, no go lie. Come be my girl, I go be your man. Get your body fine, you dey kill me slow. Wanna be your king, so be my queen. If you know be you, get then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else. If you know be you, get then tell me who. If you know be you, I get nobody else.
Alright, so just follow this simple rules that I've given to you, and you can actually auto tune any vocals. Now, how can you actually get auto tune artists? If you want to try auto tune artists, I have a video taking you through step by step how you can actually get auto tune artists. Try version. So if you are interested, watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, hand to head, salute. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.